Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A girl like you should wear a warning. You're dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. I need a hit, baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm loving it. Too high and I can't come down. Losing my head, spin round and round. Can you feel me now? With the taste of your lips, I'm alright. You're toxic, I'm sipping honey. Taste of your poison paradise. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Yeah. Remember what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Losing my head. It's getting me to give you up. I took a sip from the devil's cup. Slowly, it's taking over me. Too high and I can't come.
And a round of applause for Hugo and Nicole.
Where did all the time go? It's nowhere. Before we lost it all, taking all your lines and it won't feel fine until we call it off. And there's no more silence and hiding. I can promise loving you won't feel so sad. Take 2 steps with me before you go. I know I can't, and we don't have to fall in love just yet. But seeing you is something that I can't forget. Over and over, the more we say, the harder it will be for us to take. So let's not hold on to each word we say, so we don't have to know it's over and over again. No, I don't regret it ever, 'cause what we had wasn't wrong. It got way too safe and it felt mistaken for what it was all along. Is it in my head? Okay.
And a round of applause for Maxence and Patty. All right.
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried. Nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. But when I wake up, I see you with me. And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you. I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me new, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. It could have been a nightmare, but it felt like they were right there.
And y'all, let's hear it for Thibault and Tatiana.
I could turn the lights out, put this thing to bed. 'Cause lately I've been so lost. Turn to you and say that I keep falling out. But tell me when you're coming back to follow. 'Cause I want you back over again. I want you back over again. I want you back over again. We could take it so slow. We could find a way to keep one of the lights on whenever you're away. Is it still your voice that you hear in my head? No matter the time of day, the space in between us is melting away. forget to say I keep falling out. The time when you're coming back down to earth, follow. 'Cause I want you back over again. I want you back over again.
And y'all give it up for Benji and Bryn.
Guess now you know. I find it hard to look in your eyes. Can't hide beneath the microscope. There's nothing more I needed than time. Now the corners of my soul are strewn across your highway. There's nowhere left to run now. Wish I could feel it's better that way. Wanna put you back in my shoebox, my naked heart, my naked heart. You were saving my shoebox, my naked heart, my naked heart. It's harder to pretend when everything is so exposed. I got no armor to defend. I just wanna stuck my neck in the noose. And maybe I'm just paranoid. You'll use my truth as ammunition. I'm not convinced one act of love can change the world. So I hear instead I listen. Wanna put you back in my shoebox, my naked heart, my naked heart. You were saving my shoebox, my naked heart, my naked heart.
And y'all give it up for Maxime and Melissa.
Digging out your number 'cause I couldn't find nobody else. Then I'm running right back to your door. Running right back to your door. Then I'm running to the company store.
The low rider is a little